Good morning, Killingly High. This is KTV. I'm Demetrius.
And I'm Sasha. In this episode, we'll take a look at the annual club showcase, introduce a new athletic director and his ambitions for the future, followed by a controversial teacher hot seat and important sports news. Welcome to this week's episode of KTV.
Mom and Dad, I'm doing fine. You guys are on my mind. You asked me what I wanted to be, and now I think the answer is plain to see. I wanna be famous. Na 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 na. I wanna be famous. I wanna be famous.
Homecoming is just around the corner. This year's homecoming is scheduled for Saturday, October 14th from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. If you are interested in going, please stop by the main office where permission slips will be located in the front desk. Admissions will be $10 and students are required to complete their grade level PGR in order to attend homecoming. Admission fees and permission slips and registrations for the dance will be collected Wednesday, October 4th and Thursday, October 5th, during the 3 lunch waves in the cafeteria. Students will have until October 12th to the end of the school day to complete their volunteer hours.
Killingly's very own school newspaper is back in action with this year's Redline. Buy Redline subscriptions now for only $5. You may purchase a Redline subscription at room 3114. For more information, email Mr. Rahab at mrahab@killinglyschools.org. Yearbooks are upon us. Go grab your yearbooks today before it's too late. Scan any of the QR codes located around the school to order your yearbook today. Be quick, supplies are limited.
There are tons of ways to get involved here at Killingly High. Sasha has more about our many clubs.
This year at Killingly High School, the club showcase caught the attention of many students eager to sign up for different clubs. These clubs range from student council to the Lego Club, Yoga Club, and the Red Line. But one club that always piques interest of many kids is the Robotics Club.
Robotics is going to be the most amazing experience any student here at Killingly has. They can join for the reasons if they want to build, if they want to code, if they want to work with a team.
There are so many other clubs offered here at Killingly High School. So if robotics is not your thing, don't worry. There are many other clubs to choose from. For example, Miss Gott's FBLA Club.
The FBLA is really a place for kids to meet new people and make new friends, and we run things like a business, so we have an agenda every meeting, and we're very productive, so I hope that kids will come out and learn a little bit more about business.
The clubs here at Killingly have many benefits. One club in particular is the table tennis club.
Ping pong is good for the mind, good for the body. Studies have proven that it fights against Alzheimer's and dementia, and so you should show up.
From building robots to preparing people for the future, there are many other clubs for students to choose from. Here is a list of some of the other clubs. If you wish to join one of these clubs, you may email a teacher associated with the club through their email. For KTV, I'm Sasha Nori.
Thanks, Sasha. We're looking forward to seeing how everyone's getting involved. With every new school year comes new rule changes. Let's see how administration has been handling last year's incidents.
Since last year, Killingly High School has implemented a few new school policies in order to help with some recurring school issues. One of these policies include the bathroom situation. Mr. Horton, a hall monitor for Killingly, who often has to facilitate the students going in and out of the bathrooms, gives us his thoughts about the school bathroom policy.
I feel that the policies on the bathrooms have come into fruition this year based on the fact of how the bathrooms are treated by the students last year. We had quite a bit of vandalism.
Vandalism and destruction of property have been a huge issue in Killingly throughout the past years, often leading to the bathrooms being unusable or completely blocked off. The new barrier system placed on the large bathrooms allows staff to prevent such issues from happening and allow the larger bathrooms to be free from such disruptions. Assistant Principal Mr. Lefebvre is happy with the results of the new policy.
It's actually been really good, I have to say. We've seen a big difference in some really key statistics. Know that some kids are bothered by it, and I understand that, and we wish it's something we didn't have to do.
As of now, the large bathrooms have no plans of reopening in the future. Despite some backlash, the new policy has had some great effects on the bathrooms, although some students aren't happy with the new policy. Senior student Jonah gives us his insights about the new bathroom policy.
It doesn't make a lot of sense. I think that closing them in the class period doesn't really accomplish much, because most of what they're trying to stop isn't happening during the class period. It's happening during the passing period when everyone's congregated.
With the bathroom policies having a great effect on the school bathrooms, it looks like the new policy is here to stay. For KTV, I'm Devin Exerholius.
Hopefully the new school rules will make Killingly a better place.
Hey, is it getting warm in here? Yeah, that's because it's time for KTV's Hot Seat. This week we have special guest, Miss Reinholtz.
Hello everyone, this is KTV Hot Seat, where we ask a teacher of our choice various questions. First off, we have Miss Reinholtz here. Just let us know a little bit about who you are and a little bit about you.
All right, so my name is Miss Reinholtz. This is my second year here at Killingly High School. I not only have a background in some science, but also agricultural education. My love of agriculture will never cease to desist, but I have loved to fallen in love with science. So this year I'm currently teaching anatomy and forensics, and it's so much fun.
Nice, okay. So why did you become a teacher?
When I was little, I wanted to teach, but I didn't know what I wanted to teach. I was actually on the pre-vet route for 2 years and then changed to ag education. Ag education's great, but I do love the sciences a lot more. So science and education mix.
So we're gonna move on to the actual hot seat question.
Okay.
So anyone that has your class knows that you love Grey's Anatomy. So we made these trivia questions.
Okay.
So number 1, name the Seattle Grace 5.
Meredith, Christina, McSteamy, or Derek, Dr. Bailey, and Richard. Or nope, I take that back. Okay, Meredith, Christina, Alex, Izzy, and George.
Yep.
Okay.
Yes, okay. Number 2, what was April Kepner's specialty?
Emergency, emergency room care.
Trauma.
Trauma, yeah, trauma.
Close, I
Trauma.
remember that one. Okay. How many sisters does Derek Shepard have?
4.
Yeah, that was quick. Okay. Who goes by the name 007?
George.
Yep. Okay. What did Meredith and Derek write their wedding vows on?
Sticky note.
Do you know what color it was?
It's like blue or, yeah, it was blue.
It was blue. Okay, now the harder question.
Okay.
Whose seat did Arizona take on the plane that crashed?
Oh, it was was it Cat? No, it was Alex's.
Yep. Wow, I did not think you were gonna get that one. Okay. Who were the original 4 Mercy West residents?
April, Avery, I don't remember his name, but he was kind of rude. And then the girl that had a fun time with Alex Cariff. I don't remember what her name was.
Yeah, her name was Reed and his name was Charles.
Got it.
Who was considered the cardio goddess?
So it is Altman. It's Teddy.
Yes, of course. What were the names of Meredith's half-sisters, not including Amelia?
Oh, Lexi, and it's Maggie.
There's one more.
Oh, shoot. It's the one that has the baby, right? I don't remember her name. Was Sarah? Molly.
You got 2. You got 2 out of the 3. I wouldn't have remembered the third one. And what are the 2 shows that stem from the Grey's Anatomy universe?
Private Practice and Station 19.
Yes, correct. You got almost pretty much all of those correct. And thank you so much for coming on the hot seat today. This is KTV with the hot seat with Miss Reinholtz.
I'm glad the room cooled down.
Me too. I wouldn't have been able to bear the heat of the hot seat.
After this quick break, we'll be hearing all about the changes to our athletic department.
KTV would like to thank the following sponsors: Marika's Place, Drock Trucking, and Girardi Insurance. Thank you.
This year, Killingly has gotten some major changes in the sports department. Here's Kylie and Ella with more information regarding the new coaches.
Recently, we've added 2 new coaches to our athletic department, Tanya Webster and Megan Aslin. Let's see the progress and views on this fall season.
I am Tanya Webster. I coach Killingly High School cheerleading here. This is my 13th year coaching total.
Megan Aslin, been coaching for 8 years. This is my 2nd year here, 1st year head coach.
Here's their reason as to why they started coaching.
As soon as I got out of high school, rather than playing in college, I just decided to start coaching, and I haven't stopped since because I've enjoyed it so much.
it's fun for me, even though I'm not an athlete now, to be able to still be involved in the sport and help other people and kind of give them some advice based off of what my cheerleading career looked like.
Here's the approach Tanya takes when her team is struggling.
Physical struggles happen a lot in cheerleading, so usually the first time you try to hit a skill, it's not going to work, and then the third and fourth time you try, it's still not going to work. So it definitely takes a lot of patience. A lot of times we just take a break from doing that and then recircle and try again.
This is why Coach Mike thinks you should join a sports team.
I think it boosts your confidence, and there's definitely a good social aspect to it. Being on a sports team, I think it's something that all high schoolers should experience as well.
With the addition of our new coaches, expectations are high for this fall season. For KTV, I'm Kylie Day.
Good luck to all of our coaches in their upcoming season.
Let's take a look at the new athletic director and his upcoming plans for the future.
With the start of a new athletic season, we see a change in leadership with the athletic department. Mr. Lackner fills the role as the new athletic director.
He helps with bus schedules, game schedules, promoting the program, providing coaches with whatever they may need. Having a dedicated AD helps a lot.
Past years have had many successful fundraising ideas. This year there will be big plans to bring money to the athletic department.
The banners that we do, that's been pretty good. We've had 13 companies reach out and purchase banners, which most of them did the 3 seasons. So, each banner's it's $700 a piece.
Along with fundraising, we see how higher exposure to the athletes and teams will help grow the programs and expand the fan base.
The more you get your name out there, the more the athletics are on television or on broadcast on YouTube or the NFHS network, the better it is for the student body as a whole.
The Game Day program is a fundraising opportunity developed by Mr. Lackner that allows viewers to scan a QR code at home games to view up-to-date information on roster schedules and player profiles. Advertisements will also be available for further fundraising, along with access to this program for all sports teams. From KTV, I'm Dominic Capuano.
Please continue to support our Killingly Athletic program by scanning the QR code at all home games for all participating sports teams. Now, let's check out this week's top 5 sports highlights with your host, Dominic.
Thanks, Sasha. We have Killingly's top 5 sports plays from the start of the fall season. At number 5, we have Jocelyn Crowley with the kill off the set from Shia Baker. At number 4, it's the sophomore Hayden Allard on the 69-yard touchdown run in the 4th quarter of the Week 1 game versus Massick. In third, it's Quinn Sumner to Peyton Wallace for the 9-yard touchdown to tie the game going into half. In second place, it's senior Spencer Shivik on the 1-touch goal in their 8-0 win against New London. In first, it's the running back Soren Reef throwing a touchdown to Aiden Lamont in their game at Notre Dame West Haven. That's all for sports this week. Now back to Dee and Sasha.
That's all we have for this week's episode.
We'll catch you in the next one.
To mom and dad, I'm doing fine. You guys are on my mind. You asked me what I wanted to